Open your eyes. Focus the camera. Smile. With a smile. With a smile.
Tapao John Rowe, Extra Miler Award. Parents, you may now don the medal. And congratulations. Primary 1
Okay,
Advisor. Teacher Sarajam C. Locario.
Okay.
Gomadi Edsel P. Out of Your Shell Award.
Ana. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Peace
Smile. Smile. Natural
These
smile.
awardees in children with visual impairment.
Exceptional curiosity, analytical thinking, and passion for
Again.
discovery. Let us proceed with the awarding of medals and ribbons to our special program and science awardees. May I call back Ma'am Myra
Diana Blair with honors.
Janice
Bernice Life L with honors.
Wow. Nakatulog ganina.
Teves Mariah Dawn C with honors. Dustin Bless J with honors. Aisha Amet. Kaylin got the second episode at Challenge Elementary category.
Baby.
Alex, first place radio script writing broadcasting Filipino, Division Schools Press Conference 125, Best Script, Best
Focus your eyes to Granny. Yeah, good. Okay, thank you. Show to Daddy.
Extra miler.
Daddy, picture, Daddy. Very nice, Daddy. Okay, very focus. Then, get your cake. Get your cake. Get your cake. Hold your cake. Hold your cake.
She just got a fork. I'll hold it.
Hold it. Wow, Celestia Award with Daddy. See that? Celestia, gift ni Daddy. Celestia. Wow. Di man ta makakonfirm. Pwede lang.
Why are you making her sit down in front of the cake? She's gonna eat, want to eat.
No. Okay, Celestia. Smile here. Si smile. Smile. Okay. Heaven. Smile. Closer, mommy, baby. Hey. Okay. That. Oh. Akong celebrant girl. Na-shake one cake. Congrats, Celestia Award. Nayang ko ano. Wow. Mo-reflect na tayo. Mo-reflect na. Sleepy din siya. Wake up mag-early.
like a parent for us to pray for our food so that we can all eat the food that we all got here today. Ma'am, award, Angelo F.
Wow!
Extra Minor Award, Celestia Nevada.
Wow!
And
Wow!
last but not the least, wala man diri si Johan Sander
Mm.
Kuan, ma'am, ang katong mga awardees na anti-practice next week pohon, Tuesday morning. Practice pa na siya sa Foundation University sa Sofia Soler Hall. Dayon, kuan lang ang isuot anak ma'am. Kani mga casual, ayaw lang ng short. Na something decent lang, hindi niya nakasulod dito.
Correct.
So, mga pants ba, shirt, yun. Sa hapon, sa awarding yun, uniform na siya. Pagsugod po ta og 1 p.m. Ang practice sa buntag, mahuman before 11 man. Prepare na mo lunch, balik na mo pagka 1. Okay?
Okay.
Ang practice, musugod na siya og 8, pero dapat by 7 na dito, kaya magbahig pa man kanila kung asa sila mo sit. And then naatay contribution nga 200
For the
place, the program, and overall ng mga
The venue.
sa foundation. So ana ra nakakuha ra sa kuan instruction for next week. And the rest, see you na lang sa enrollment. Enrollment sa Putapuon and Brigada de Escuela. Okay? Wala rin lang yung mga tanan. Dito sa kuan. Oh, college.
Ha? Banda, ma'am.
Foundation, University Lapit sa Galine. Sa Galine na Shano Road. Yan, as na lang mo sa guard o as na lapit ang Sophia Soler para din sa
Lain kayo kuan ba? Diyan.
Teacher Wen. Teacher.
Madam. Nay.
Teacher Wen. Teacher Jonathan.
Yeah, at the same time. Against the light, manggol. The parang Lodi, uy. Sabi na ko paingon dito.
Pagamay-gamay, naglawat si Felisa.
Oh, sorry. Wala ko nag-live. Wala ko date. Hindi ko makalive. Hindi ka i-give. Para hindi sa mangita ha? Ha, wala. Wag po.